Simple hands-feet whitening formula, easy and 100% effective, skin whitening. In this video we are going to tell you friends, how you can whiten your hands and feet at home in easy way. Simple and easy hands-feet whitening formula which have great results. If you want to get more interesting videos then don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. First of all, wash your hands and feet first. It's very important for starting any treatment. If you don't wash properly you will never get complete results for washing your hands and feet. Use lukewarm water. After washing, dry them completely. In our first remedy we are using hydrogen peroxide, glycerin, ammonia, soap bar, goat milk, vitamin E capsules. For making this, take an empty bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide. Vitamin E capsules will help moisturize, fight acne, prevent premature aging, relieve sunburn, and reduce discoloration. It's an all-around beauty multitasker. 2 tablespoons of glycerin. Glycerin will leave you with soft, supple skin, and save you a load of cash on beauty products. 1 tablespoon of ammonia. Ammonia has mild bleaching powers that can smooth out discoloration, reduce blotches and age spots associated with sunburn, balance the skin and treat blemishes. 2 or 3 tablespoons of goat milk. 1 tablespoon of grated soap bar. And 2 vitamin E capsules. Mix all ingredients well, apply it on your hands and feet. When it dry, apply again. Coated your hands and feet with it for 3 or 4 times. Leave it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, massage your hands and feet well. After this, wash your hands and feet with lukewarm water. After using this remedy, you will never need any other hand whitening home remedies, whitening cream, or lotion. It's an all-around beauty multitasker. This gentle exfoliation not only helps to create a natural glow and prevent breakouts, but works to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and controls the aging process, and makes your skin whiten, soft and glowing.